Well, before you hit the road this holiday weekend, make sure you know your rights. Lawyer Shawn Brown joins us this morning with some important tips on what to do if you're pulled over or if you're involved in an accident. It's good to see you.
Hey,
Thanks
morning,
for coming in.
Yeah, thank
you know, you always come around during the important times of the year. I know you were here helping us out during Fiesta, which is a very busy time for folks. We've got 4th of July. We've got so many sporting events going on, and a lot of people are out and about. So let's talk about being safe, right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, back in the day, we used to have a taxi or a designated driver. Now there's just so many options for people, Uber and Lyft, and just important to have a plan. You know, everybody's going to be celebrating this big 250th anniversary of the United States, of course, and I got my red, white, and blue.
Yes, you do. I love it.
So I'm ready to go, and for the big soccer games as well. So, yeah, just have a plan, you know, before you leave, whether somebody's not going to drink or whether you do drive and you have a couple of drinks, take an Uber, pick up your car the next day. It's always a lot cheaper.
Absolutely. All right, so let's talk about what to do if I get pulled over. What do I do? Like, where do I start?
I mean, you want to be respectful and polite, of course, but you have a right to refuse, and you have a right to request your attorney, and they cannot use that against you. It's a protected constitutional right that everybody has. So I would suggest that you do that, because at that point in time when they are asking you to do these challenging tests on the side of the road with the flashlight and cars going by, they're trying to get more evidence against you at that point in time. I mean, how many times when you went to get your driver's license renewed did you have to stand on one foot for 30 seconds? I mean, nobody does. So
no,
they don't
panic
know
sets in the minute I get pulled over, no matter what.
Whether it's a ticket or whatever, of course.
Absolutely. What about if I'm involved in an accident? What about then?
Sure. So you want to make sure you document pictures, get everybody's information, and of course you want to call me right away. Shawn Brown, 210-224-8200, because a lot of times evidence can dissipate. What I mean by that is let's say somebody's accusing you of running the red light, but you actually had the green light, and a business has a camera that shows the intersection. Sometimes they only hold it for 48 or 72 hours, right? And so it's important that you get me on the line as quick as possible so we can get that process started.
Let's talk about you a little bit, because you're a San Antonio guy. I know the city is very important to you, and so are the people in it. Yeah,
for sure. Born and raised in San Antonio. I mean, I just, you know, have met so many people from all different walks of life, and graduated from high school, played baseball here at UTSA before going to A&M. You know, I've lived on the north side, I've lived on the south side, I just moved to the northwest side, so I've been all over town, and you know, no better city in the world than San Antonio, Texas.
Absolutely, and I know you're so involved in the community, and you're just trying to keep people safe and knowing their rights, so it's always good to see you, and thanks for coming in this morning, Shawn.
Thank you.
All right,
Happy
good
4th.
deal. Hey, happy 4th of July. Be safe, and jot this number down in case you need it. The law office of Shawn C. Brown, right here in San Antonio. That phone number he mentioned is 210-224-8200. Here's the website if you'd like to know a little bit more. It is ShawnBrownLaw.com.